What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in this video I want to give a quick breakdown on MultiVAC and how it's been doing in the charts. But first I want to talk to you guys a little bit about MultiVAC. But before I get started, guys, let me make sure I hit you with my disclaimer, guys. I am not a financial advisor, guys. Anything I do or say is not going to be financial advice. Please make sure you're always doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that said, guys, let's hop into MultiVAC. I made a video on this the other day. I talked about some of the details, guys, but I just want to give, for those of you who don't know what it is a new layer 1 that's coming out, or that's already out. In June 26th is when it launched its mainnet this year. It's been in development since 2018. Guys, it has 100% sharding technology, meaning that anytime it needs to handle or accommodate more transactions per second, it can shard off again. So the next number of shards would be 128, and each shard can get 533 transactions per second. So 128 times 533 would be 60,000 something, and then the next tier up is like 100,000. So it's fully scalable, guys. Infinite expansion, guys. High TPS and infinite expansion. Huge selling point. Blockchain trilemma, guys. The trilemma is a deal that developers have to work with, guys. So essentially, each blockchain has a weakness, right? You can't always have all three as a strong suit. So with this blockchain in MultiVAC, developers can actually choose how the blockchain or how the infrastructure on top of which you're building, which is MultiVAC, uh, um, prioritizes the trilemma, so it can really focus on security and scalability and not so much on decentralization. Or if they're building something that's going to need to be more decentralized and scalable, it can focus on those and have less security, and so on, guys. And guys, all dimensional sharding, I already talked about that. With that said, let's move on to the charts, guys. So this thing has been going off, and the first time I mentioned this or showed you guys the chart, it was, I think, like September 21st or something, but it was around here. Yeah, September 21st. And I told you guys that this is probably gonna hit resistance or its support level down here, and we should look at putting in some buy orders for this range, and the box is still here. Since then, it has done its thing, and it's definitely on the uptrend today. Layer 1s were pumping today. Guys, one Harmony also pumped today. I'm just gonna switch over there real quick. A bunch of stuff on the screen here, but you can see Harmony 1 did a nice pump here since October 17th. Actually, it's been pumping day by day. It's up 66%. Solana did also a nice little pump there, if I can find it. Solana has been doing pretty good lately. It's starting to move again, 45%. And MTV, guys, MTV today. Sorry about that. We're up, let's say since the 19th of October, about 63%. Guys, when I first got into this, we were somewhere down here. What are we looking at? 5,825%, guys, and this thing still has legs to go. It's still low market cap. So guys, right now we're in undiscovered territory, so it is a dangerous place to ape in. But what I will say is, guys, that if we zoom out a little bit here and we start at the low, this is looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave, guys, and it's looking like as long as Bitcoin continues to go up, this thing's gonna also go up with it, guys. Bitcoin moves first, then typically layer 1s, the infrastructure projects like Cardano, Ethereum, MTV, Harmony One, those kinds of things, Avalanche. After that, top 50 cryptocurrencies. After that, medium and mid tiers and low tiers, and then the microcaps. That's usually the order things go. Bitcoin was cooling down. It looks like it's getting ready to start moving again. Not sure exactly how long. Nobody knows, guys, but it's definitely starting to pick up again. So guys, keep that in mind as you make these decisions, guys. You don't want to buy in. That's the key here, guys. You don't want to buy in at resistance or at possible resistance. You don't want to buy in up here. You want to buy in when it starts to bounce off the resistance and find some support, which looks like around 16 cents at the lowest, 18 cents, 19 cents. So I am still allocating into this every time it drops into the 19-cent range. I said that last time, and that's what I'm doing, guys. So 19-cent range is usually when I get in and try to add a little bit more to my back. That's all I wanted to cover, guys. Guys, if you like the content, please let me know what you'd like to see more of in the comments, as well as, guys, if you like the content, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.